when you're doubting yourself, when you're constantly focused on what hasn't happened yet, like the result, it's hard to have fun, right? And this business, especially this business, it was meant to be fun. It was meant to give you the freedom and not to drain you, right? So if you're feeling stuck right now, I have one simple advice to you. This one: take a break. Yes. Take a break, step away, breathe, right? I know some of you would think, but if I stop, I would fall behind. Or if I take a break, I won't get the result that I want. Or I can't afford to rest right now because I have a lot of things to do. I need to catch up, blah, blah, blah. But let me ask you this: can you afford not to? Because if you're burned out, if you're exhausted, if you're operating from frustration and doubt instead of energy and belief, how do you think that affects your